All right, good afternoon, ma'am. Are you Teresa Wolanski?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Etheridge, your appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Derek S. from the Office of the Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Wolanski. I'm appearing from the Office of the Public Defender by Zoom video. She's appearing by Polycom from the Lansing Police Department. I'm appearing for arraignment
All right,
purposes only.
I'm sorry, thank you. All right, Ms. Wolanski, this is file 23-03152FY. This is a complaint alleging on or about October 16th of 2023 at 733 Community Street, City of Lansing, Ingham County, Michigan. Count 1 alleges that you did secretly confine and knowingly restrain a 5-year-old child. Contrary to law, that is a felony. Maximum penalty is up to 15 years and or a $20,000 fine. Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalty, Ms. Wolanski?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, you do have rights. You have the right to plead guilty, not guilty, or stand mute. You have the right to a trial by a judge or a jury. And at that trial, you can present or confront witnesses. If they would not appear, the court can order them to do so. You also have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford one, one can be appointed for you at court expense. Additionally, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or write can be used against you, and you always have the right to have a lawyer present with you at any time you are questioned. Additionally, you are presumed innocent, and if you are found guilty, it must be beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those rights, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Then, Mr. Etheridge, is she applying for an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So, Ms. Wolanski, this is a felony. So you have 2 hearings. Your first hearing is a probable cause conference. That's a time for the prosecutor and the defense to get together to see what issues there are and whether there would be a preliminary exam run. Now, that is Friday, October 27th. That is at 2:30 p.m. So if you have remote access to Zoom, you can appear remotely. If you don't have that access to Zoom, you would have to appear in person in court. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the second hearing is a preliminary exam. Essentially, what that is a mini trial to determine by probable cause whether a crime was committed and to determine by probable cause whether you were the person who had committed that crime. That is held in person only, and that is Friday, November 3rd, and that is at 9:00 a.m. Both of these hearings are with Judge Simmons on the 6th floor of City Hall, courtroom number 4. So do you have the notice and the Zoom instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Hang on to that. Now, Ms. Wolanski, is there anything I've told you that you do not understand?
No.
Okay. Oops.